Okay, so this is a bullion stitch with a wrap of 6. You wrap your yarn around your crochet hook six times. The loop on your hook does not count as a wrap. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm inserting my hook into the stitch indicated. I'm going to yarn over and bring that yarn through and up. This is the yarn that I just brought through. I'm going to take that and go underneath each of those loops. And as I do, I'm tugging up with my crochet hook. That's going to help with the tension. And then I'm going to keep going underneath each loop until I have 2 loops left on my crochet hook. And you'll see I'm tugging up. That's going to help with the tension. And now I'm down to the last 2. I'm going to yarn over and go through the last 2 loops. And again. So yarn over 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm inserting my hook into the next stitch. I'm yarning over and bringing that yarn through and up. This is the yarn I just brought through. We're going to take that and go underneath each loop until we have 2 loops left on our hook. And I'm just tugging up with my crochet hook as I go under those loops. That's going to help me with the tension when I get to the last 2 loops on my hook. I'm down to the last 2. I'm going to yarn over and go through the last 2 loops. And that's how I do the bullion stitch with a wrap of 6. And of course the bullion stitch, you can do more than a wrap of 6. You can do more or less. It just depends whatever the pattern says. Whoops. And if you do more, of course your stitch is going to be taller in height. And if you do less, it's just going to be smaller. Thanks for watching.